Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our today's first word is chew. Chew. In Gujarati we say chawavu. Chawavu. Okay, chawavu. Swallow. Swallow. In Gujarati we say gળી જવું. ગળી જવું. Okay, ગળી જવું. Gulp. Gulp. In Gujarati we say ગટકવું. ગટકવું. And for wink, any guesses? Do anyone know? For wink, in Gujarati we say આંખ મારવી. Okay, આંખ મારવી. Like this. આંખ મારવી. For wink, in Gujarati we say આંખ મારવી. આંખ means eye. Okay, આંખ. I mean for eye. In Gujarati we say આંખ. And for wink we say આંખ મારવી. Okay, આંખ મારવી. Now let's repeat one more time. Chew. In Gujarati we say ચાવવું. Swallow. ગળી જવું. Gulp. ગટકવું. Okay, for gulp in Gujarati we say ગટકવું. For wink we say આંખ મારવી. Okay, આંખ મારવી. For eye in Gujarati we say આંખ. And for wink in Gujarati we say આંખ મારવી. Now let's understand all these words one by one having sentences. So our first word is chew. In Gujarati we say ચાવવું. Okay, now let's see what sentence we are receiving. Chew your food slowly. Chew your food slowly. જમવાનું ધીમે ધીમે ચાવો. Okay, this is very simple sentence. For food in Gujarati we say જમવાનું. Slowly. If you want to say slowly, either you can simply say ધીમે, but when you want to say in a proper way, like usually we are saying, you can say ધીમે. And for chew in Gujarati we say ચાવવું. Okay, and this is kind of action, ચાવવું. For this sentence we'll say ધીમે ચાવો. This is ongoing process. Like I'm eating food and someone is advising me saying chew your food slowly. In Gujarati we say જમવાનું ધીમે ચાવો. ચાવો. Okay, now let's understand another sentence which is swallow. In Gujarati we say ગળી જવું. In Gujarati we say ગળી જવું. Yes, very beautiful sentence we have. See, these sentences are, if you notice, this is very routine sentences, like daily these sentences phrases we are using. Swallow the medicine with water. દવા પાણી સાથે ગળી જાવ. Okay, for medicine in Gujarati we say દવા. For medicine in Gujarati we say દવા. And with water. So for water in Gujarati we say પાણી. And for with we have word સાથે. પાણી સાથે with water. for water we say પાણી. And for with in Gujarati we say સાથે. And to swallow in Gujarati we say ગળી જવું. ગળી જવું. Okay. દવા પાણી સાથે ગળી જાવ. Okay. પાણી સાથે ગળી જાવ. So this is how the meaning of swallow in Gujarati. ગળી જવું. Okay. And to swallow we say ગળી જાઓ. Okay. Or you can pronounce like this as well. ગળી જાઓ. ગળી જાઓ. Another word is gulp. In Gujarati we say ગટકવું. ગટકવું. You know, like how we are drinking. Yeah, see. So this is very beautiful sentence again. He gulped the water quickly. He gulped the water quickly. Okay. એને for he in Gujarati we say te, tene, ene. You know, you can use like that. That we already discussed in our previous videos. He gulped. Now for water we know પાણી. Okay. Quickly. For quickly in Gujarati we say ઝડપથી. Okay. You can say like this as well. ઝડપથી. 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 ઝડપ means fast. ઝડપ means fast. I mean for fast in Gujarati we say ઝડપ. Okay. This is not that fasting. That is different. Fasting means ઉપવાસ. In Gujarati that is another word. And for ઝડપ, for fast we say ઝડપ. Okay. And for quickly in Gujarati we say ઝડપથી. ઝડપથી. ગટક્યું. ગટક્યું. He gulp. So gulp in Gujarati we say ગટકવું. And because he already gulped we say ગટક્યું. Okay. ગટક્યું. ગટકયું. ગટક્યું. એણે પાણી ઝડપથી ગટક્યું. એણે પાણી ઝડપથી ગટક્યું. He gulped the water quickly. Alright. And the next one is wink. And for wink in Gujarati we say આંખ મારવી. આંખ મારવી. Now let's see the sentence we are having is. Okay, very easy sentence we have. He winked at his friend. He winked at his friend. એણે પોતાના મિત્રને આંખ મારી. Okay, again for he or for she, if you want to use a common word you can use એણે or તેણે. That will work. એણે or તેણે. You know, when you are talking to third person with, I mean about someone. એણે પોતાના, you know, his. If I want to say his, her, that time in Gujarati we say પોતાના. મિત્રને. Okay. His friend. To friend. And આંખ મારી. Winked. Wink in Gujarati we say આંખ મારવી. But this process already finished. We'll say આંખ મારી. આંખ મારી. Like that. Okay. Now let me repeat this sentence one more time. He winked at his friend. Okay. He or she you can commonly use એણે or તેણે. પોતાના. Like when someone is using his or her. Okay. We could use પોતાના. Okay. And for friend in Gujarati we say મિત્ર or દોસ્ત. For friend in Gujarati we say મિત્ર or દોસ્ત. He winked at his friend. Okay. દોસ્તને. Okay. At his friend. Okay. That's why we are using ને. દોસ્તને. આંખ મારી for wing. In Gujarati we say આંખ મારવી, and hence this process is finished. In Gujarati we'll say આંખ મારી, already finished. આંખ મારી. Okay, આંખ મારી for eye. In Gujarati we use આંખ. For eye in Gujarati we use આંખ. All right. So this is all about our today's session, my dear friends. We covered these 4 words with sentences. I hope you are enjoying and you are learning Gujarati very well. So kindly like this video, share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn Gujarati. We'll meet again with a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Shri Krishna.